my dear crafters. So today, I'm sure some of you are waiting. Scrap Diva Designs has their 2025 February release, all available online. And I'm going to walk you through some of the die sets that they sent me. It's not the full collection, so do check their website. Also, I have a coupon code now, and it's Paula. Just use my name as a coupon code and you get 10% off when you buy their die sets, okay, their products. They have paper, they have a lot of other things. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the die sets that I have and also show you what I've been working with and how I've been using them, just to give you some ideas, okay? So the first one is called Valentine's Harp. Valentine's Harp, and it's really nice. It's for mini albums, but I'm not using it for a mini album. You might remember that she had a smaller one as a Rolodex harp, same harp, just smaller, very cute. So they made now a mini album one. I absolutely love it. It has 3 dies, so a larger one that is stitched in the middle, and I will show you what I've made with it so you see how they go together. And then the shaker part, which is this part here, where you can cut your paper and put some shaker parts here, like confettis and sequins and things like that. I will show you what I've made with it. So that's the first. The second one is, I love these hearts because they're double stitched. So when you cut the heart, you're going to have the empty space with the stitched outside, but also the heart will have the stitching inside as well. Very nice one for cards, for boxes, for just making embellishments. Really, really nice. See, double stitched. So I'll show you one Valentine's project that I made with this, and it's coming up soon. So now the next one, which is my absolute favorite. I think I skipped one. Just a minute. Yes, I skipped one. So that's, I'll show you my favorite last. So this is very nice. It's called Amaryllis Flower Set. You can cut a whole bunch with just one pass, and you can layer them. See, and they have stitching. They have some embossing, sorry. They have some embossing, so it makes it really look real in a way. And you also can cut a few leaves here. So very nice, different sizes. See, this one is small, this one is bigger. So you can layer one on top of the other, and you'll see how to do that because I will show you something that I used it as a decoration. But what I love about it is that you can get a whole bunch at once. You just pass it on your cutting machine and you're good. And now my favorite one, you will not believe how cool this is. So this makes, it's actually 2. There's so many dies in here, it's even heavy. This is not the only thing. There is another layer of die sets here because this is going to make a very good size. It's about 6 inches by 6 inches, or maybe a little more than that. I will measure at the end so you know. But you will see it makes a 3-tier what do you call it, 3-tier tray. So it's a tray that you can make, and I made one for me, you see it, for my craft fair because it's going to help organize my sequins. It's very, very beautiful. I made one for my cousin as well, Tatiana, because she also has a craft room, and we all need, you know, some organizing spaces. Beautiful. You'll see what it looks like soon. So I'll show you next, okay? And these are 2 actually January releases that she sent me. This one is called a bottle shaker set, heart bottle shaker set. So again, it makes a shaker decoration piece. You can make the top of a box, for example, your cards. You can make like a shaped card. And this is something that's coming up. Everything that I will show you next, there will be some tutorials for you so you can get the die sets that you want now, and I'll show you how to use it, okay? So that's a very nice one that they sent me. That's from the January release. this. And this one, you might have seen it around. You can even search for tutorials. It's called the flip top box. Very nice. It's a box about this high, and the lid flips. It doesn't come off, it just flips and it closes. Really nice box. One of those dies that you can use all year long for your gifts, for your craft fair, for everything, for Valentine's, Christmas, you name it, for Easter. Anyway, so let me show you what I have been making with this, okay? We're going to start with this one. I have made 2 projects, and this is a tutorial coming up for you. So here is what I've made. First, I'll show you how you can make a beautiful card, and actually it is shaped that way, see? And I will show you the technique on how to accomplish that, how to make it shaped, and then you can just decorate whichever way you want. This is, see how I got the love word? This is actually part of the paper, and I just managed to, coincidentally, no, not really, I wanted it that way, to see the word love coming through. So beautiful card, and I'll show you how you do this technique in my tutorial. It's one tutorial for 2 things. The card, how to get it shaped like that, and look at these guys. Look how beautiful this shaker is. It's actually a box, and you have the base here. It's just a box in the shape of the harp. And you can give this box a beautiful gift here. It's very tall. It's 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 high here. You can fit a lot of things inside. You can give a gift to your loved one, your friends, co-workers, and you can make the card to go with it. So basically, what I did was I made a box, and that's the tutorial that's coming up next week. And you're going to learn how to make the box, how to make the shaker, so how to use the die set, and yeah, that's that. That's the final product. And then I'll show you how to make the card and how to make it in the shape of the harp too. So a great gift to give away. I love this die set. Really, really cool to play with. Next one, it was part, you might have seen it as part of my series, my Valentine series. Just check my playlist, Valentine's, and you'll see everything. But these are the projects that I've just released the last 3-4 weeks. So I taught you how to make this chipboard box. Very nice, and inside you put some chocolates, those heart chocolates. Let me show you, so you can actually fit 5 of them. And I teach you how to make this whole thing, and I decorated with this stitched heart. So the 2 smaller sizes here, this one and this one. So that's what I use this for. But I am for sure going to make some cards, shaped cards, using the same technique. So let's move on and let's see another project that I've made with these die sets. And guys, here's the last one that I'll show you today. An absolute gorgeous 3-tier tray, perfect for gifting your friends, and I'm absolutely in love with this, guys. I want to make like 100 of these. Today I made 2, and I'm going to have a very comprehensive, very detailed tutorial coming up next week, okay? Look how beautiful these are. This one I used the same paper to decorate everywhere, see, just this green paper. And this one here, I use different coordinating papers, but just wanted to try something different. I also use some pearls, but guys, this is my favorite of all the release. I have to say, I'm in love with it. And I hope you see my tutorial next week when I teach you the easiest and the quickest way to make these, okay? So that's the release, that February 2025 Scrap Diva Designs release. I hope you enjoyed it, but do check their website and do use my coupon code, okay? Paula and you get 10% off. Get the links below. Everything's available. It's on the website since this morning. So have a great day and a wonderful weekend.